Hey friends, if you want to hear the latest immigration news, watch this video. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Welcome to McBean Immigration TV, where I break down the latest immigration news for you and also give you my tips on how to win immigration. Why? Because you guys deserve to be happily together. Videos are uploaded each week, so I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's get into it. So friends, the latest news is this. Immigration officials, and this may very well impact some of you and your relatives. A judge has recently held that folks who are detained by ICE at some detention center should not be held longer than 10 days before seeing an immigration judge. This is huge, guys, because what was happening was ICE would pick people up and detain them, and then in some cases these individuals wouldn't get a chance to see a judge for weeks or even months down the road. And this situation obviously created a lot of major problems, not only for the person who was detained but their relatives, right? Because in some cases these individuals have children or spouse and others who need them back home. According to this AP article, guys, the judge who ruled favorably in this case said class members may not have a fundamental right to be released during removal proceedings, but nor does the government have an unfettered right to detain them. And so the government, particularly under the Trump administration, basically kind of abused the situation, right? Holding people there who should have gone before a judge to determine whether they can get a bond for their release or not. But that wasn't happening on the scale and level that it should have been happening over the past few years. According to the Bronx defenders, a few weeks or months of sitting in inhumane ICE detention facilities can be dangerous and devastating for individuals and their families. The court's ruling recognizes that prompt access to an immigration judge is a fundamental right, one that is all the more important when detention facilities are hotbeds for the spread of COVID-19. And you guys may have been also following the news with respect to how COVID-19 have penetrated a lot of these detention centers, and people were not getting the type of care that they actually should have been getting in these detention centers. The AP article also goes on to say that about 40% of them were eventually released on bond. And friends, get this, this may be shocking to you, and quite a bit of these individuals were actually U.S. citizens and or lawful permanent residents. That's right. According to the article, the average petitioner in this case have lived in the United States for 16 years, and nearly a third of them are lawful permanent residents. And this is actually good news, particularly for the family of these individuals who are picked up by ICE and who have not had a speedy opportunity to go before a judge and make an argument about why he or she should be released from detention. Guys, if you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to share it with other people as well. Take a screenshot of this video, send it over to your IG stories, and tag me, McBean Immigration Law, so that I'll be aware of it. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.